Hi everyone, I finally got my package. I guess you can guess what it is. It's fabric. I haven't bought fabric for a while. However, there was an 80% sale online with Queen of Fabric, which I've never purchased from before. And I thought I might just see what their fabric's like. And also there was some really nice things that were between $2–3. And I even got some things for $1 something. So I thought, why not? So let's have a look. Oh, this is so exciting. Be careful not to rip the fabric. I also got some spools of things. Oh, I forgot what I bought. This is exciting. Okay, let's have a look. Oops. Now let's look at the, how about we look at the spools first and then we'll look at the fabric and whatever else is there. So I got these because they were like about $2 something. And I'll be using these when I want to stitch, whether on my crazy quilts. I should have got more actually. They're DCM. And I love the color. You can never tell online when you're buying, but this is a really nice color. I might, if they've still got more on special, I might get more. Because when I'm doing some hand stitching with quilts or even embroidery, I'll be using these definitely. So I got those. I also got this pink, what is it, embroidery thread. That was about $2 something. Good quality. It's decent. I also got this one. And I like it. I couldn't tell what the color was exactly, but this is quite nice. So there's that. And then I got some Bohan France needles, 10. They're sharp. I'm always using needles and they tend to blunt so they're always handy. Oh, and I got these from $7.50. They were reduced to $1 something. I didn't even realize they were going to be so small. Papers, for little paper piecing. I've never had little circles like this before. But I guess you can use those when you're making a little flower and use the circle in the middle. I won't open them all now, but you can see they're little circles. Or you can use them for other crafts or paper piecing. And I have wanted to do smaller projects. So we'll leave that there now. And then, oh yes, this was about $2 something. It's a pattern. I love rabbits, and it's actually a Liberty pattern. Made with Liberty, London. And these are the fabric requirements. I don't think I have all these, but I'll just find some other pinks. Whether you use Liberty or not, it doesn't matter. Maybe we'll have it open and see. I've got lots of pinks and pastels. Looking forward to making this. I've never really made a lot of things from patterns. Oh, I love it. Look at that. I'll have to read along because, like I said, I've never really made anything from patterns. So I hope it's easy to follow steps. This looks fun. So that's that. Very happy with that one. Oh, and I got this. That's another pattern that was also reduced from 18. I think I bought it for about $6. Let's have a look what this one is. Quilt size. 63 by 63 inches, the quilt size for this one. I guess you can always make it bigger. But I love that. It's called A Very Fine House. Quilts designed by Judy Newman. Australian made. There you go. And that's lovely too. You can use a lot of your scraps for this quilt actually. Or you can use newer fabrics, up to you. Looking for that, looks quite simple. It's got them all separated and the arrows go where they should. Okay. Well, I'll have to get cracking with that one. Now let's look at our fabrics. Okay. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? I love it. They're quite thicker. And they are cottons. That's nice. For first time queen of fabric, I like their fabric. And this is nice. I love anything got to do with Paris or London. So this has got London on there, Paris, Tokyo. You can fussy cut this, or you can use it like that for a bag or something, or even a quilt. Oh, that's pretty too. Well, I did choose all of them online, but I'm actually quite happy so far. This is more with the browns, more vintage. Very nice. Oh, I love this. Oh, this is one of my favorites probably. I love prints like this. Yeah. And that's another vintage one. Sweet Blend by Laundry Basket Quilts, Moda Fabrics. That is quite nice. And this one here, I wasn't sure what I was getting, but it was on special. Oh, there we go. We're getting 4 panels of it. And I thought this would be nice to embroider as a wall hanging, or when I make a quilt and I can have it as a patch, one square, one panel, and embroider it. I'd love to embroider this. It was just pretty. So there's 4 on this, and these were all 80% off too. So I would have paid a few dollars for this. I'm very happy with that. They had all different color shades, but as you can see, I like my pinks, so I chose this one. And this one is absolutely beautiful too. Look at that. Oh, and I love that. See, with our rabbit pattern, I can actually use this. This is a nice pastel pink. It's got butterflies, so I think it might go. I can use even this. Oh, that one I can use. Is it a double? No. Oh, it's actually the same pattern with a different color. I really like that one. Oh, I can probably put that together. Love it. And there's that one. That's nice too. I'm happy with everything so far. This was a Liberty, and it's actually it's not a Tana lawn. It's a thick fabric. It's a quilting one. I got it because it said it was Liberty and it was on special. And I could use this. I don't usually use black in my quilts. However, when I make bags, I'll be using this. That's pretty too. And that one's nice. It's very fun. There's another pretty one. I can mix and match. Oh, I love that. Love this one. This one looks like Liberty, but I don't think it is. They've got a few patterns that are similar to Liberty, which I will be buying from them again, because their prices are quite reasonable, and they have big sales. They had between 80 to 10% off, so you can get 50%, 60%, just depends. I went for the 80%. I always love a good bargain. And this one, oh, there you go. I can use this. This has got rabbits on it. I forgot I got this. Oh, I love it. I can use this for my pattern maybe, for the rabbit panel. It's got, oh, it's even got a cat, little gnomes, squirrels, echidna, a bird. butterfly, and you can fussy cut these, or you can just use them as is. Cut your own panel. Oh, I love it. And I love the colors. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. I love all the little small flowers. For some it might be too busy, but I love these prints. And then there's this one, the last one. And that is beautiful too. That's more vintage. So there you have it. I might put that one. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. My first unpacking of fabric.